This time I am going to show you how can you unlock your mobile screen password in just only 2 minutes, and I guarantee if you are watching this video till the end, you will be able to unlock your Android smartphone. So hey guys, welcome again in my new video where I can show you how can you remove your mobile password in just only 2 minutes without any data loss and without any using software. So let's start this video. In this video, firstly you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode like that. This is the airplane mode and you have to activate this. After that, you have to remove your SIM cards and memory cards from your smartphone. After that, your mobile is prepared for mobile unlocking method, and I am going to use that mobile unlocking method. Firstly, you have to click on the emergency call option here, and after that, you have to open emergency calls only page here. After that, you have to enter a code to close all your background running application first, and the code for the code is here. You have to enter this code on your smartphone and hash. You can take a screenshot for this page. After that, you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your smartphone now. So you have to click on OK button to ignore it, and you have to repeat the same process for 3 times. After that, you have to clear the mobile screen from this code. After that, you have to take an important step here. So I am going to enter Google FRP code here because you know that Google FRP code is able to unlock any Android smartphone pin pattern password lock. So I am going to type here Google FRP code, and this is the code star hash 56969 star 18100 star 777 and hash. This is the updated Google FRP code, and I would like to tell you that the Google FRP code will expired on every month, so that's why Google FRP code provides Google FRP updated and new Google FRP code on every month, and Google charge very heavy. So this time I will provide you this code for free. So let's start another step here. This is the code, and I have to call this code for 7 times. So when you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message again you see here. So you have to ignore this pop-up message to click OK and repeat the same process for 7 times, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After that, for checking purpose your mobile is unlocked or not, you have to click on home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss with your application of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all your Android smartphone at your home. If your mobile phone is still not unlocked from this method, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.